Hello, my name is Peter Gramanides, and I am a software developer for IBM Cloud Pak for AIOps. Today, I'm going to start by giving you an overview of how you can ingest data from monitoring tools into Cloud Pak for AIOps and the experience around that. I'm then going to show you how you can set up an integration with Instana to collect topology, metrics, and event data into the product so that you can detect anomalies occurring in your IT operations. As you can see, I'm on the homepage for Data and Tool Connections in the Cloud Pak for AIOps, where I have not set up any connections yet. I'm going to click on the Add Connection button in the top right-hand corner of the screen to get started. Here in the Add Connections page, we have over 150 different integrations to bring data into the product, including metrics, events, tickets, and topology data. But currently, I'm really interested in metrics. So you can go here on the left-hand side and select the category of data you're interested in collecting, and it'll filter by that. So as you can see here, among many other options, we have the Instana Connection. If I click here on the side panel, you'll see here in the side panel, there's a lot of great information on how to get started, what this connection is, and what you need to create the connection. In the case of the Instana Connection, all you really need to get started is your URL and API token for your Instana account. So I'm going to click Connect. And this brings me to the configuration page for the connection. Now, all I really need to do here, as I said, is I'll give it a name. I'll leave a note for myself. This is my Instana APM integration. And then I will give it a URL. So this is the endpoint for my Instana account, and this is my API token. Down here, I am given some flexibility in terms of how I want to deploy this connection. I can go and do this locally in the Cloud Pak and have it managed by the product, or I can go and deploy this on a virtual machine or container. I'm going to go ahead and have it run locally because it's the easiest option, but you do have that flexibility. I'm now going to click the test connection button, and it's going to verify my credentials, which is great. I won't have to worry about that. Now there's going to be pages for each type of data you want to collect. It's really pretty simple. You can enable and disable whether you want to collect data for that specific data collection type, like topology, events, metrics. And you can also change some different optional filters and intervals for how often we want to collect data. Personally, I'm happy with the default, so I'm going to leave these alone. For events data, I'm interested in collecting all my data, so I'm just going to go and select these two checkboxes here. And for metrics data, as you can see, there's many technologies available, and you can filter down by the exact metrics available from Instana. However, I'm also interested in this case with going with the recommended metrics for the product. So I'm going to just click this checkbox here. And as you can see, it selected 728 metrics for various technologies that are recommended for the product. So if I just go and confirm my selection here for my metrics data collection, down here, you can actually decide how you want to collect data, whether you want to collect historical data from your Instana account, or if you want to collect data on a rolling basis, which is called live data collection. In my case, I'd like to start with doing historical data collection and collecting the last month of my historical data. And then going forward, I'd like it to do live data collection. So all you need to do that is enter just your start date, which is 1 month prior, up to 1 month prior to the start of data collection. And once it's done with the historical data collection, it will continue on to doing your live data collection. So I'm going to click done here. And that was it. You just had to click a few checkboxes and give us, your URL and API token that you've created in your Instana account, and you've now set up your first integration in Cloud Pak for AIOps. So I guess let's go and see the results. If I go and click here in the left hamburger menu and scroll down under the Operate tab to Alerts, you will see that we've already gotten an alert from Cloud Pak for AIOps, that for this application I'm monitoring here, Robot Shop, the available replicas are less than the desired replicas. That's not good. There's probably something wrong there in my application, so I should go take a look at that. So overall, I'd say that this is a great success already, and it only took me a few minutes to set it up. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you choose to try out IBM Cloud Pak for AIOps.